One of the hardest things for me is to find the best possible colors when I draw something. For a long time, I have struggled with color palettes that are either too out there or didn't match the personality that I wanted to give to my illustration. I also came up with this idea that I wanted to recreate scenes from favorite movies of mine, and I swatched directly from the movie stills. What happened later made me think that I would never see these colors if I haven't swatched them. And so it became a regular thing for me to experiment with extracting colors from movie stills. Usually movies are quite complex and well directed, especially the good ones. So using them as a color inspiration is like taking an inspiration from another form of art. It's classy and romantic. I didn't use all the colors that I've swatched from the scenes, but with a bit of experimentation and mixing and matching, I can say that I got an amazing result. In this video, I'm swatching from the movie Pulp Fiction, one of the best movies of all time in my opinion. 80% of the colors ended up in my current palette, so I'm super happy about that. I'm also going to show you how versatile this method can be with sample swatching from the movie Her, which is absolutely phenomenal in terms of art direction. So try this method yourself and let me know how it works for you.